going through that middle section, this is where Ignition has lost a little bit of her speed there. The ruts just seem to be giving them a little bit of problems underneath their feet. You can see just how hard they're having to put it on the edge to just keep their control. They've got binding plates on their boards which give them more angle for the carving, and it also helps to dampen the vibrations underneath their feet. So that's what you can see under those hard boots there in the finish line when you have a look at their boards. So it just helps with it so their balls don't overflex when they come into those really rutty sections.
For quarterfinal first run, and it's Adeka of the Czech Republic, who is the second fastest qualifier behind Mary Kleiner. So she's at the bottom of the draw. She's up against Carstens of Germany. Okay, Carstens, the 28-year-old, leading in the second games. So Adeka is in the blue course of the Germany.